What's up everybody, and welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're doing something a little different, something I've been thinking about a lot lately. We're going to break down the levels of wealth through car ownership. I'm talking starting from scratch, no car, all the way to owning the rarest, most expensive cars on the planet. You guys know I love cars, so this is going to be epic. We're talking beaters, Benzes, Bugattis, the whole 9 yards. Are you ready to find out where you land on the car wealth ladder? Let's dive in. Oh, and before I forget, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our crazy videos. Alright, level 0, no car. We've all been here. Maybe you're just starting out, fresh out of school, rocking the student loans. You're a pro at navigating the wild world of public transport, maybe even a rideshare app champion. Hey, no shame in the game, you're hustling. This is the grind, the motivation to level up. You're dreaming of that day when you get those keys in your hand, the freedom of the open road. Trust me, I've been there. And let me tell you, the journey to the top is half the fun. Just picture this. Someday, you'll be laughing about those times you missed the bus while cruising in your dream car. Level 1, my friends. You've made it. You've got your first car. It might not be much to look at, probably a few miles or a few $100,000 on it. We're talking about that hand-me-down Honda, that trusty Toyota, that '98 Corolla that's seen better days. But hey, it runs, right? Maybe it makes some funny noises, maybe the AC is more like a sauna in the summer, but it's yours. This is freedom, baby. You can go wherever you want, whenever you want. Just maybe avoid long road trips and check the engine oil every now and then. Okay, level 2. You've upgraded from the trusty beater to something a little more luxurious. We're talking a used car, but a nice one. Leather seats, maybe some heated seats for those chilly mornings, sunroof, the works. You're comfortable, you're styling, you might even be turning heads, or at least not getting weird looks at stoplights anymore. This is where you start to feel that sense of accomplishment. You're not just driving a car, you're driving a statement. A statement that says, hey, I'm doing all right. Level 3. Things are getting serious. You've got a steady income, maybe you're married, maybe you've got a little one on the way. And you know what that means? You need a second car. This is the family car phase. Something safe, reliable, spacious enough for all the snacks and strollers. You're thinking about minivans, SUVs, maybe even a station wagon. Don't worry, they're making a comeback. It's not always glamorous, but it's practical. You're starting to think about the future, about building a life, about maybe finally getting that mortgage, but hey, let's be real, those car payments are adding up. Level 4, you've made it to the big leagues. We're talking brand new, mid-range luxury. Think Tesla Model 3, a sporty BMW, maybe even a Ford F-150 because, let's be honest, you've always secretly wanted one. This is the car you buy because you can, because you've earned it. You've worked hard, you've climbed the corporate ladder, and you deserve to treat yourself. Plus, that new car smell, nothing beats it. Just try not to tell your accountant how much you actually spent. Alright, level 5, we're officially in luxury car territory. We're talking 6-figure price tags, sleek designs, and enough horsepower to make your heart skip a beat. Think Porsche 911, a Range Rover, maybe even a Mercedes G-Wagon. This is the car that turns heads, the one that makes your neighbors jealous, in a good way, of course. You've made it, you're living the dream, and you want everyone to know it. Just don't forget to talk to your accountant about that sweet, sweet tax write-off. Level 6, you've got a luxury car, and another one for your significant other. Because really, why have one luxury car when you can have two? We're talking his and hers Mercedes, a BMW for you, and a Porsche for your better half. You've got a garage that's the envy of every car enthusiast on the block. You might even be thinking about adding a third car to the mix. You know, just for fun. Maybe a vintage convertible for those weekend getaways. Level 7. You're not just driving luxury cars, you're driving status symbols. We're talking Bentleys, Maybachs, Ferraris, the kind of cars that make people stop and stare. You're probably friends with your local dealership owner, and you've got a dedicated parking spot at every exclusive club in town. This is where your car collection really starts to take shape. You're not just buying cars, you're investing in them. And let's be real, you've got the net worth to back it up. Level 8, you've reached the upper echelon of car ownership. We're talking Rolls-Royces, Lamborghinis, McLarens, the kind of cars that most people only dream about. You probably have a personal assistant who takes care of all your car-related needs, from scheduling maintenance to finding the perfect parking spot. You're a regular at car shows and auctions, and you're on a first-name basis with some of the biggest names in the automotive industry. Level 9. Supercar Squadron Assemble. Level 9. You're not just a car enthusiast, you're a collector. You've got a garage that looks like it belongs in a museum, filled with rare and exotic supercars from around the world. We're talking Bugattis, Koenigsegg's, Paganis, the kind of cars that are practically priceless. You probably have a team of mechanics on call 24/7, and you ship your cars around the world to participate in exclusive rallies and track days. Level 10, one-of-a-kind rides for the world's elite Level 10. You've reached the pinnacle of automotive excellence. You own cars that are literally one-of-a-kind, custom-built for you by the most prestigious automakers in the world. We're talking Rolls-Royce boat tails, Ferrari SP38S, Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Cars that are so exclusive, they're practically works of art. You're not just driving a car, you're making a statement about your wealth, your taste, and your place in the world. Bonus level. Wait, you still drive? And finally, the bonus level. You've reached a level of wealth where you don't even need to drive yourself anymore. You've got a team of chauffeurs at your beck and call, ready to whisk you away in a fleet of luxury vehicles. You've got a private jet on standby for long-distance travel, and you probably own a yacht or two as well. You've transcended the need to own a car, and you're free to enjoy the finer things in life without worrying about traffic, parking, or speed limits. What's your car level? So there you have it, the levels of wealth, as told through car ownership. What level are you currently at, and what level are you aiming for? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, even if you're still rocking the level 0 lifestyle, don't worry, we all start somewhere. Just keep grinding, keep hustling, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be cruising in your dream car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.